Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Miro for beginners. So let's get started. So first, what is this Miro I'm talking about? So Miro positions itself as an easy-to-use digital whiteboard for group collaboration. You may move objects around, make notes and drawings, and engage in online discussions or video calls with the software. Additionally, the tool includes a number of pre-made templates that can act as a source of inspiration or a place to start when working on your own projects. While conducting remote design thinking workshops in real time, they choose to utilize the online whiteboarding tool and apply it to Miro. All you had to do is to go to any web browser, type miro.com, and answer the following questions like tell us about your team, what kind of work do you do, and what's your role. You should also have a valid or working email address, or you should have also a Google account. Okay. So after you enter your company, your work, your role, have you ever used Miro before? No. What do you use for Miro? Work, personal education, everything is up to you. What's your company size? And then lastly is how did you hear about Miro? And then tap continue, or you can copy this link and share it to anyone, to your workmate, to your friends, or you can invite from Slack, Google, or Microsoft account. You can enter their email address here and then send them invitation. And once they receive it, it's up to them if they'll accept it. Or you can also tap to skip for now. Okay, and then here, what you're going to do next is just simply continue. And then all you have to do is just simply click at this Let's Start. Actually, you can choose from any of the templates right here, but it's time. Let's just start from scratch. Okay, so I want to start from scratch and then create team board. So this is the interface of Miro application. But first, they will let you choose the exact or correct template for your project. Okay, so there are tons of categories on the left side. If you want to look for a specific template, you just have to click this search bar right here and then type that specific template that you're looking for. Okay, and then here, all you have to do is scroll down and look for that category, or you can scroll down here and then tap preview if you want to make sure that you really want to use this template. So if you tap use, and then automatically it will apply right here, and all you have to do is to edit. Okay, so if you're looking for a template like this, but this time I'm going to look for this Middleverse committed templates. And specifically, this template is like project organization, something like that. Okay, so to make sure I can type it above to look for that project organizational chart. Okay, then tap this use blank template because you will be the one to fill in some information here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, tap create team board first, and then you will see the interface. And then here, probably you can edit everything. So let's start with this. I can edit this and replace this with my agency or company's name. Okay. I can change the format. Okay. Change the font style. Also the size. I can add something here like comments or other shapes. Okay. And then also I can insert some URL. Keep use the link here. If I have a YouTube channel or anything, you could just simply edit right here. Change the font, the style, and then also the color, and then also the background. So all you have to do is to click on this tools right here and features right here, and then you could change the format. You change the font size, font style, the color of the very first box right here. Okay, so continue with the chart. Below, as you can see, it's like a sample chart for like roles in a company. So here you can change in the name, you can change the role. Also, you can add the email address and you can add more. This is just a basic information. Okay, you could change everything here. You can add something here. Okay, so we have your name, key role, and then your company or the email address of this person, and add something if you want. Again, you can edit the format by just tapping the box. You can change the font style, font size. You can add URL. You can change the color, also the background color. Everything is up to you. If you tap this three dots, then you will see here copy. If you want to copy, link, info, layout those, copy again, create frame, and so on are the key. So that's the features and options. Want to tap this three dots above. Okay, you can do this one. Okay, you can do the same thing. With the first one here, you can change the name, the role. Also, you can add email address and so on. Change the color or the format. Can add some background color. Change the font style, font size, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see, if I want to change the color of the lines right here, sorry, if you want to change the color of the lines, you just have to tap and then go to colors to change the color of the line. Same thing with the fonts, you just have to tap and then edit styles and edit tools will appear right here, and all you have to do is to select the one that you think is correct or that can match to your flow chart here. Okay, and then after that, you can add an arrow. You can add another box again for your chart. All you have to do is just simply click and then go to the left side panel. You can see options and features right here. Okay, same thing. If you want to add another thing, then you just have to click the line and then you can simply add. Okay, all you have to do is stretch. So here, as you can see, if you tap on the second option of feature below arrow, it will show you other templates. So if you want to change your template, then all you have to do is to tap that one and then choose the correct template for you. If you want to add text, then tap this T icon. Then you can start by just tapping anywhere here and then type. Now you can change the font size by just tapping this. Okay. Also change the font style. Also change the background color. Okay, change it to bold. Change the color of the text. Okay. Add link, everything is up to you. All you have to do is to go to this area right here. It shows off the tools and the options that you can use once you create the text in this area. Okay, you can even add comment if you want. So if you add comment right here and then tap this arrow, a blue arrow right here, and then you will see that they have commented on this part or this text. So if someone clicked this, probably they will see the comment also. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. If someone tapped this, then the comment will show up. Next, we have here sticky note. If you want to add sticky note anywhere, you just have to simply drag it right here. You can change the color of your sticky note. Okay. You can change their format. Okay, you just have to go to this area right here and then change whatever you wish. Okay. And also you can add link. You can assign this to someone. If you see this person icon, that means you can assign this. You can mention someone to do this if this one is a task. You can add tag, you can add emoji, key, and so on. Okay, arrow, if you want to add arrow, just have to simply tap it, point it anywhere you wish. Let you say you're trying to emphasize something. Okay, you can just stretch it and then add sticky note right here. Okay, or comment. So everything is up to you. Okay, and then change the color. Okay, add some text. Change in the font style, change the font size. Okay, add some emojis, assign it to someone. Okay, and then here we have is, if you want to point out something, it's a draw icon. So let's just say this one right here, the performance of this person is poor for this week. Then you could just simply draw and then add a comment or a sticker note. For example, this person, okay, for this week, low performance, and then you could change the color of the circle or the draw. Then you can also add some frames. Let's just say the people in this area, they're doing great, or the performance so far are great or good. Okay, just to emphasize something. If you want to add like basic shapes or other callouts, or let's just say other, icons or symbols, all you have to do is tap this icon and this will show up. Okay, all you have to do is to look for that. Okay, you can find apps here if you want to add some application or discover something. If you want to add charts, Kanban, tables, mind map, you just have to click in this area or icon right here to add something. If you can see it right here, then you can go to the search bar and then look for that specific image or chart. So if you want to add image, tap this album icon or image icon. Then once you found an image, all you have to do is to drag that to the word. For example, this one, add something, comment or what's more application, tap this, and you can add more application, tables, okay, charts, and more. Okay, and then you can undo your work. Okay, open frames. Okay, you can just simply add this. You just have to drag this to the board. And then lastly, if you go to the upper part, you will see this timer. Again, other options right here. If you want to react or if you want someone to react, you just have to put this one and it will show some reactions. Okay. And then after that, we have here also the comments and then notification if something is, trying to alert you, something is, or some activity is inside this portal, then you will be notified. Lastly, is you can share this one by tapping share. You can copy or you can invite someone to see your work. As easy as that. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.